So in this next exercise we will have to find the integral average of this function over our interval from negative pi to 3 pi. And luckily we have our formula here, so we only need to use it. So we know that the average of the function f on the interval from negative pi to 3 pi is going to be 1 over 3 pi minus negative pi times the integral from negative pi to 3 pi f t dt. And this is just simply 1 over 4 pi times the integral from negative pi to 3 pi t times the sine of 3t minus pi dt. And now here we have a simple definite integral, so first we must find the indefinite integral of t times sine of 3t minus pi. And this is a product of two simple functions, so we will use partial integration. So we have a function f and a function g, and here the trigonometric function is going to be the one that is differentiated. So we have f being t and g prime is going to be sine of 3t minus pi. Now we can find the other functions. We have f prime is 1 and function g is going to be 1 over 3 times the negative cosine of 3t minus pi. And now we do the partial integration. We already have this product here, so we need this product f times g, so t times negative 1 over 3 times the cosine of 3t minus pi, and then we must subtract the indefinite integral of the product of these two functions, so f prime times g, so we have 1 times 1 over 3 times negative cosine 3t minus pi dt here. And now this is just a simple integral, so we will have negative 1 over 3 times t times the cosine of 3t minus pi plus 1 over 9 times the sine of 3t minus pi plus some constant c, and I left out parentheses there. And now we have our indefinite integral, so we can find our average, and to save on space I will continue this right here. And now we have 1 over 4 pi times, and of course let's take the primitive function, negative 1 over 3 times t times the cosine of 3t minus pi plus 1 over 9 times the sine of 3t minus pi. Evaluate this function at 3 pi and negative pi, let's take their difference. And this will be, of course, 1 over 4 pi times, so negative 1 over 3 times 3 pi is just negative pi times the cosine of 8 pi plus 1 over 9 times the sine of 8 pi minus negative 1 over 3 times negative pi gives us pi over 3 times cosine of negative 4 pi plus 1 over 9 times the sine of negative 4 pi. And now we can simplify a bit. Of course, we have here 1 over 4 pi times negative pi times the cosine of 8 pi. The cosine of 8 pi is 1, so we have negative pi, and the sine of 8 pi is 0, so this term will be 0, minus the cosine of negative 4 pi is yet again 1, so we will have only pi over 3 here, and the sine of negative 4 pi is 0, so this term will be 0 again. And now here we have just negative 1 over 3.